Good evening, everyone. I'm Yusuf Sharif, and it's been a pleasure leading this FPGA implementation workshop. Don't worry, there are no assignments or sessions today. I'm here simply to express my sincere gratitude to all of you for joining us today and for your efforts throughout the workshop. I would also like to extend my thanks to the VCAD lab at UTM University. Thanks for your support in making this FPGA workshop possible. And to the International Student Society, Yemen, thanks for organizing this workshop so effectively. Again, thank you all. I would also like to take this opportunity to share with you some advice on how to continue building on what you have learned here. First and most important, there is no course that will give you all the information related to a field. There is always a room for learning new topics. You will not get a job just with the information you learned in this workshop. So up your sleeve and continue learning. Second, digital design is a tool to make systems. So concentrate not only on learning digital design, but also on learning other fields like communication systems, for example, as you can work in a company that design systems like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can work in a company that design SerDes systems like PCIe or USB. You can design CPUs or GPUs. So learning computer architecture is so important. Also, learning digital signal processing is so important. Information theory, MATLAB, scripting, and the list goes on and on. What I said are just examples. So concentrate not only on learning digital design, but also on learning other fields. Third, your network will for sure help you. It can help you increase your knowledge, get a job, or move to a better job with some other benefits. So invest in building a good network. Fourth, make good personal branding for yourself. Personal branding means that lots of people know you and they have very good impressions of you related to digital design. You can do this by making projects and uploading them on GitHub with some documentation, then sharing these projects on LinkedIn. You can also make videos or write some notes explaining topics in digital design and also share them on LinkedIn. This will get new people to know you, and this will put engineers' eyes on you, and you may find an engineer contacting you for an interview or something. This will help you make a good personal brand. Fifth, for better communication with teams at work, learning English is so important because most of our work is with teams across the globe, and you need to communicate with them in a very good way. Also, learning presentation skills is so important to better deliver your ideas and work to other people. You may have done excellent work, but you can show it to people. Either your English is bad or your presentation skills are bad. So the ability to deliver your ideas and work to people may sometimes be more important than the work itself. 6. You can be hired for skills, but later fired for attitude. In the work environment, you can find someone that is brilliant, but no one wants to work with him because of his bad behavior. And his bad behavior may affect the team's performance, and later he may be fired. So deal with people in a decent way and keep good relations with them. 7th, what is written is not forgotten. Always have a paper and a pen with you. This will be helpful at work for writing meeting notes, the tasks you need to do, new information that you learned, and some other stuff. 8th, invest your time in college and search for remote part-time jobs that is related to digital design, long-term internships, or freelance jobs. You can find these opportunities through your network, or you can send to people on LinkedIn and ask them for an opportunity. 9th, whenever you face a very hard task, don't say, "I can't do it," but give yourself some time to try different solutions and search for other approaches. Based on my experience, most probably there is a solution for your task, but you didn't find it yet. And last but not least, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing. We will not just hire you for the theoretical information you have. The most important are the hard projects that you made, so keep practicing. And that's it, guys. Thanks for your listening, and I hope these pieces of advice are valuable to you. It's have been very nice meeting you, and I hope to meet you again. Thanks.